Good morning, Newton. Well, hello, my buddy. Well, hello. Back to you, too. I'll get your fish. Yeah, we know this is your patch. However, we do have more fish for Newton. The next one is really close to me. There you are. Look at your crest. Look at your buddy. Look at this, my three favorites. There's Dad, and there's Newton, and over there is Callum. Dad realizes Newton is right behind him. There could be a spat. Whoa. And there's Callum. Oh, I'm very happy. And a silly pigeon. Ouch. Grooming session. There's Callum. Oh, pigeon just landed on me. That's one. Goodness me. All right, Dad. I have to save a wee bit for Callum, but here, Dad. Here. I'm a very happy bird lady today. All my favorites are here. Newton, you can investigate it if you want, but there's nothing in there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, well, nothing bad's gonna happen. There's nothing in there. Sorry, Newt. Look at that crest. There's nothing in there. I'm being a tease. There's nothing in there. You've had it all. You know where it comes from, don't you? Yes, you do. There it is, and you'd like to get it, but there's nothing in there. It's gone. You've had. What? What was that? What? That is the strangest thing I'd ever seen. A duck just attacked a swan. What? That is great. This is on a house. I'm like, this is nowhere near the park. That is great. I am totally shocked. I don't know if she's seen me. Why is she on a house? Look. Amazing. I wonder if she... It's certainly an adult heron. I have no way of knowing if it's grey or not. Unless she's following me, unless she's seen me.